Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Zain. I'm from Computer Science branch, studied in DRR Polytechnic, Davangere. So I was planning to share some of my experiences and opinions towards TJ Diploma CET Coaching Center, Davangere, regarding what I felt before joining, in between and after joining the coaching center. So initially, before joining the coaching center, I was having many question marks surrounding on my mind, such as what quality they'll provide in teaching, and what syllabus, how much syllabus they'll cover within time, and do they cover whole syllabus or not, and should I just plan to change any other coaching center. So like that, many were there. So after all these confusions, I plan to discuss the same thing, the same issue with my seniors who have been to the TJ before me. Some of them I remember: Nandish BJ from DRR, and Akila from DRR, Manoj from DRR, Chetan, and Rashid from Government Polytechnic, Chitradurga. So after contacting them, the opinion what I got from them is really what forced me to join the TJ coaching center. Then talking about the teaching quality, I really felt it was far better than what I was expected before joining the TJ. And after listening the first class, the demo class, I was really thankful for my seniors who suggested me the best coaching center to get trained for the CET exam. And I would like to thank the Rupashri ma'am because of her massive efforts, and the efforts what she put to provide the best quality of teaching to each and every student. And also the science faculty, especially, she was really hardworking person in the TGI team, in making the concepts clear to each and every student. I still remember that moment. I was just revising the science concepts a night before exam, the CET exam. I remember it was 2:30 a.m. I just asked some doubts to her, from the WhatsApp. Surprisingly, I got a reply from her within 2 minutes of asking. In that message, she again explained the concept very perfectly, and it really helped me. Really, that moment was what made me that moment made me so proud of her, and I'm once again thankful for her. And I was really surprised that she is online just because the students may ask the doubts in the night before exam. And then in branch subjects, I don't know about other branches, but in our branch, the computer science branch, the lectures were so impressive. The teaching quality was really amazing. Really learned a lot more things than what a local coaching center will teach us, and I hope that will help us in future also. And I'm really very thankful for those lecturers also. Really, talking about the overall teaching staff is really good, as the far better than what I expected before the TJ, as I said before. In this pandemic year, in those repeated lockdowns, we can't even predict the CET exam date and the SEM exam date. So in spite of all these distractions, the time management of Rupashri ma'am was really amazing. It was so perfect that she covered the whole syllabus within the time, and not only completed, she also revised the whole syllabus in maths and science. Really, the science faculty and Rupashri ma'am were really so perfect in the coverage of syllabus with perfection to each and every student. And though these were online classes, I'm frankly speaking, except first 2 to 3 sessions, I never felt these were online classes, because they were so realistic that students used to ask some doubts in the live class, and Rupashri ma'am and other almost all lecturers used to reply with the clearing those doubts, those answers for the doubts, and making them so clear, the concepts. It was like really sitting in a live class in the college. I never felt it was some difficulty in listening to the online classes, because the teaching quality was so perfect from all the lecturers of the TGI. And my opinion for the juniors for the upcoming CET exam next year is if you want the coaching center only for the exam purpose, CET exam purpose, then you can join any of the coaching center which are suitable the best for you. But if you want to stay motivated in your life always, and if you want the benefit sessions, the motivation sessions, and if you want to achieve something more in your life, then I will literally say the name TGI, because no other than this coaching center will teach you the benefit sessions, motivation classes, and M3 engineering M3 sessions up to 40% the syllabus she will cover. Rupashri ma'am will cover 40% of the engineering M3 classes, and many more things she will cover, and she'll always keep you motivated. And she provide the doubts. She tries to solve the doubts in the WhatsApp groups also. You can ask them in WhatsApp groups. I don't think the other coaching centers will take care about you more than this. So I literally say you the name TGI. So that's all the thing what I suggested for you. Then all the best for your future and career. Thank you.
Mohammad Zain from CS branch, DRR Government Polytechnic. He has scored 174 ranking in DCET 2020. His diploma final year percentage is 84. Thank you and congratulations, Zain. The main aim of the TGI is to provide a high quality of coaching classes. During the coaching, all previous year question papers will be solved. Students, during the coaching, frequent tests and OMR exams will be conducted. It will really help you to score good ranking in DCET. After DCET coaching, engineering M3 40 to 50% of classes will be free with the inspirational motivational sessions. Students, for the best and high quality DCET coaching classes, please contact Technogeeks Innovations DCET Coaching Center, Davangere. This is Rupashri.